Before I brought the boat to the mooring, I bought a solar panel and a solar charger to able to provide sufficient power for my fridge, laptop, phone, and the other equipment. The solar panel I bought is from Grenergy, and the solar charger is from Victron. So these two companies' products combine together and provide the sufficient power for the boat. You can see that the solar panel is on top of the spray hood, and this solar panel is semi-flexible and made from monocrystalline. Monocrystalline means is that made from single silicon, therefore the electricity flows easily. This solar panel is 175 watts and has got six holes. So the holes are here: one, two, three, and four in middle, and five and six in the other corners. The solar panel is quite thin, as you can see, is less than 2 millimeters thin, and is weighed about 2.8 kilogram. I attach this panel with zip tie to the spray hood. You can see that is attached very tightly, and I use 6 zip ties to attach the spray hood. And so far the panel has seen very windy and rainy days, and nothing happened. The panel has got two junction boxes, and they are well protected and rated IP68. So IP means ingress protection, and on the number, first number represents solidness, and second number represents wetness. So number 6 is for solid, number 8 is for wet. Number 8, if you put rated for number 8, if you can put under the water up to 1.5 meter and up to 30 minutes, and it shouldn't affect by the water. In my case, the solar panel does the job very well so far, and I did not see any negative impacts from the strong wind and rain. The junction box cables are hard and well protected to sun and rain. The only problem I've seen so far is that the extension cable coming from the cables coming from the junction box is quite short. You can see that it's short, and it definitely needs an extension cable if you want to use something as for a little bit further away from the panel. So I bought extension cable, and this is the extension cable. The red cable starts and then goes to the inside the boat for Victron solar charger. The cables from solar panel comes here. Red is in positive, black is negative, and it goes to the dedicated section on the Victron solar charger PV section in here, minus and plus. What I found is difficult is that these two cables are thick and it doesn't fit properly. So the ferrule needs to be used in here to make the connection safe and secure. This setup at the moment on a temporary base. I know that the cables are not safe and secure enough, but it will be as soon as I can. On the left hand side we can see battery section, again positive and negative holes in here, and these two cables comes out and then goes to the other section where the battery is. Red cable is positive and it goes to the ANL fuse, and from ANL fuse to the battery. ANL fuse is 2 amp and is protecting the battery. That's why it close to the battery, not for the solar charger, because solar charger it has on fuse just under here, which is 2 amp. Black cable goes to the main negative bus bar. Victron solar charger is compact, light, and can be attached easily anywhere with the 4 screws. 75 means in here is that 75 volt, and 15 is a 15 amp. Bluetooth signs indicates that this product can be connected to Bluetooth devices such as phone or tablets. IP43 means that ingress protection, and this product can be protected from small tools and wires. We also see in here, hope that you can see that there is a load section. This 12 volt system can load to the another system. There are 3 LED lights in here. If you look at closely, the blue is in a bulk mode, so at the moment the blue light is in continuous mode, which means that the battery is charging. If it is not in blue continuous mode, but if it is blinking, it means that it's connected to source or power, but is not charging. There is also yellow light on top of the blue light, which indicates the absorption, and on top of that there is a green light, is a float mode.